Hello, my name is Yordan Tesama. Today I'll be presenting on project planning. What is project planning? It is a procedural steps in project management. It creates plan and document to ensure the successful completion of a project. It uses different tools and software to schedule the plan and subsequently report progress within the project environment. There are 5 phases to project management. The first phase is project conception and initiation. This is the starting point of the project and is the stage where it is determined if the project is feasible or not. The organization that is planning on implementing an electronic health record has a legacy system. This covers the conceptualization phases of how the system should function and what it should comprise. This stage includes the selection of the appropriate tool for planning and projects. The second phase is project planning. We are now in the planning phase. The project tasks will be laid out in detail, including the start date, finish date, any dependency between the tasks, and key milestones. This is the phase where we use the project planning tool we have selected. The next phase is execution phase. In this phase, deliverables are developed and completed based on the plan schedule created in the planning phase. The build-out is tracking using a tracking system. The required testing and validation is conducted alongside the development. Project control is another phase. In this phase, the main focus will be on measuring the project progression and performance. Project will be measured against the project plan and assessed on how accurately the development reflected the planning. The last phase is the project close. In this phase, the required development, launch, training, and quality assurance have successfully completed. The team and client will reflect back the positive and negative. On this assignment, plan an EHR implementation on my purpose implement on electronic health record system for an organization, implementing to meet future service needs and provide first-rate service. On this project, I use Inova Hospital is planning on implementing an electronic health record for much of their inpatient and outpatient institutes in the Northern Virginia area. The organization is planning on implementing these changes to be able to meet the future service needs and provide customer patients with first-rate service. The organization has identified the software they want to implement to replace their legacy health record system. The team also identified the below high-level tasks and their dependency that will be developed and configured: patient information management, clinical information system, laboratory, and pharmacy. The task will be implemented with the appropriate sequence. Each task and subtask will require a training session with the staff of Inova. The next one is high-level task schedule. On this, determine high-level tasks. For plan and EHR implementation, below are the high-level tasks for patient information management, clinical information system, laboratory, and pharmacy. First of execution is on July 5th, 2018. We will develop a project plan using Gantt project. Gantt project is a tool for creating a project schedule by means of Gantt chart. The tool is free to download from the internet. By using this tool, we will provide the start date of each task and the interdependency between the main task and subtask. The first main task, patient information management, will take 40 days. After the completion of the first task, the team will conduct training session. The configuration of the clinical information system will take 45 days. The clinical information system configuration will require the configuration of the patient information management system. The training of the clinical information system will commence once the configuration is complete. The next task that will be implemented will be the laboratory system. The configuration of the laboratory system has the configuration of the patient information system as its predecessors. The configuration and training of the laboratory system will take a total of 15 days. The final phase of the implementation is the pharmacy system. The implementation of this pharmacy system has the laboratory system configuration as its predecessors. The laboratory chem configuration and training will take a total of 45 days. The next one is subtask scheduling. On this, the main tasks are comprised of the configuration of several subtasks. Using Gantt project, develop the project plan by inputting the subtask and illustrating the dependencies. The Gantt chart below shows the different subtasks. There is A, B, C, and D. A is for patient information management subtask, B is for clinical information system, C is for laboratory, and D is for pharmacy. The next one is critical path. On the critical path, the configuration of the system is planned on Gantt project. The Gantt chart is developed within the subtask. Correlation and dependency are represented on this chart. And this is the reference I use. The first one is the reference, and the second one I use is Gantt project. And thank you for your time.